The Part 2 of ATF Changer mainly introduces the following built-in functions: recycling gearbox oil, filling gearbox oil, circulating cleaning, emptying new and used oil tanks of the machine, the function for recycle used oil. Connect the power DC 12V. Switch on the machine. Press recycle. Set the amount of recycle no more than 4L. Start the engine. Press run. The display shows the exchange finished. Press stop. Shut down the engine. The function for adding new oil. Open the oil filler cover. Add new oil. Check the connection in good order. Press ADD. Set the filling amount. Press run. When filling finished, press stop. The function for circulating cleaning. Press clean. The recommended cleaning time is 5 to 10 minutes. Start the engine. Press run. When the cleaning finished, press stop. Shut down the engine. The function for empty oil tanks. Press empty. Choose new or used oil tank. Open the drain valve. Press run. Draining finished. Press stop. Close the drain valve. Switch off the power.